So right now I'm gonna be doing putting these relays on here. I already have them marked where those two dots are. They're gonna be going like this, side by side, just like that. I'm using salt peppers. Makes it a lot easier. Uh-oh. Buddy. Come on, buddy. Let's try that again. It's in. It's in. That one. There you go. It's nice and clean. Looks like a professional did it. I am a professional. Here we go. Okay. So, I already ran. I got these fuses, which is on the first video that I did. And then this one here, this power wire, it was too short, so I had to cut it right here. And then I put this, I had to split it and then put this connector. And then, so it was, this is a wire, right? So it was, I cut it right in the middle like this. It was like this. So I cut it. I made it longer. I added a piece of power wire. And then I put this connector to be able to reach the battery. And then the ground, which is this one here, I put it under this little fuse box, little bracket here underneath, and I connected it right there. This one here. So I put it in right there with the rest of the grounds. What I also did was I made another, I put in another ground wire. Let me see here. What I also did was I put this ground here. I put a screw. I found I got a bolt and nut. I put it through this bracket here. Right there. This one here. Right there. So that's a 0 gauge. I put it on there, and then it runs. That's where that loom right there, that one runs right here, and it bolts up right here to this side inner wall right there where the loom is at, this one. So that's an additional ground that I put on there from the body of the truck to the, basically from the chassis to the engine, just to have a better ground instead of just this one here, because this is the one that comes from the battery to the chassis. So I just made a different one, a better one, a 0 gauge. So I added that one on there. And so now I also ran from these relays this wire, which goes to the other floodlight. This one here, I already got it in right there, right here, and I tucked in the remaining wire. And then this one here, this is going to be just in case I want to put in a light bar, so which I might later, or I might add some more, you know, lights to it. Depends. I might not even use it. But anyway, it's there just in case. That's why I have a second relay. So anyway, I ran this wire here. I'm gonna put some zip tie to this existing one. This one, I don't know what it goes to. So this one, there's a power wire, and then there's a ground, and it comes here. So when I open this up to see, it's empty. There's nothing there. So I gotta see where that one runs to. I haven't looked at it. That one goes to that side, and then it goes up under into the firewall. I don't know where it runs to, so I gotta go figure that shit out. But anyway, as far as this for these floodlights, I'm almost done. This one's still not connected, so I will be connecting it shortly. But now I have to run this one here. This wire is the one that goes in through the firewall into the back of the dash, and then that's when I'm going to be putting in this wire right up in here, or this switch. Yep. I need to run this wire through there, through that to the firewall, but there's that rubber. Let me see. I have to run it through there right where I have that screwdriver, so I'm gonna have to make a hole or on that rubber piece, because I don't want to run it through the side of that rubber, because it's gonna the sheet metal is gonna cut into it, into the wire. So I'm just gonna find a way to make a hole, and then I got to take these wires out of this plug, tape them together, and then run them through there. See this the screwdriver sticking out right there? So I'm gonna have to find a way to poke a hole somewhere around the inner rubber piece, and then fish it through. That way there's no, you know, it's not popping off the side like the screwdriver is, because then it'd be cut into the sheet metal, will be cut into the firewall, will be cutting into the wire if I just run it through there. So I'd rather just make a little incision in that rubber and then run it through there, kind of like that piece there. It's kind of like that, whatever that is, similar to that, and then fish it through the other side, and then put this plug back in. Where's that? And then put this plug back in, because those are just pins. I can just pop those pins out, and then put it back together on the other side, ready to put into the firewall, into the dashboard. There it is. I got all the wires out. I had to use this this toothpick to put it in and release. There's a kind of like a little pin that's sticking out. It's hard to see, so I just put it right there on the top side. It's right there. It doesn't want to zoom in. Right there. It's going good. So I got to put that pin in, and then I'll be able to, and then I was able to slide it out. So I was able to make a little slit on the inside of that rubber piece that's on the firewall. As you could see here, I have, this is the wire here, this black one, and it's connected to like this wire hanger. It's kind of hard to see there, but we'll be able to see it through the inside. So I made a little slit on that rubber piece. I'm gonna go on the inside and fish it right out. Hopefully it's not too hard. I gotta try to shove it in here. Okay, let's go to the inside. There it is right there. Right here. That one right there. So, let's see if I can get a better shot at it. There it is, it's coming out. It's poking out right there. Oh, my light's dying. Anyway, so yeah, that's it right there. Let's see if I can do it. It's kind of hard to do this with okay. I'll see if I can do it through here. Right there. There it is. Got it. Easy peasy. There it is. Fished it through. Now I just gotta undo this and then put this piece back on. So I took a couple of pictures of how it was the wire was in there into this plug. So it's yellow on the top right. This or like this. You might have gone like this. How did it go? What the hell? Oh, backwards, fucking idiot. Like this. There you go. So, got that one. And then white on the other side. White. And then red. Right below the white, and then black. There's the last one on this side, right below yellow. So it's like this, yellow, red, perfect. Double check my work. Black, red on the other side. Yep, it's good. Looks good. Now I have to find a way to pop this off. Maybe through the inside. Through here. Let's see if I could feel so. Oh, there you go. Simple. I just popped it right off. And does this go in there? Let's see here. Put this plug through there. I wonder what some of these plugs are for. Look at this. I wonder what those are for. Maybe an aftermarket alarm system that it probably had. There's yeah. These look like a alarm. Yeah. Some type of alarm system that it had. Which I'm not sure, I'm just assuming. I'm not a alarm installer by any means, but just based on my little bit of knowledge that I have. Well, it looks, I gotta find a way to secure it on there, because I know this is not the way it's supposed to fit. But even then, this one doesn't stay on there very well. So I'll probably put a zip tie behind it around here. That way it doesn't slide back out. Yeah, because but for the most part, it looks good, just like that. So I'll put a zip tie on the inside to get it from moving around. Yeah, and then I'll just plug these two together, and then put the power wire, and then I'm good to light it up. There it is. I'm all done. This thing's going nowhere. So all I did was put some tape around the inside, around the sides, and I just put it in there. It's really snug in there, so that thing's not going anywhere. And plus, there's no reason why for anybody to mess with this. Or, I mean, I'm the only one that drives it, just me and my wife, and or maybe even my kid when he probably takes it at night or something when I'm asleep or something. But no, I'm just playing. You don't do that. But anyway, yeah. So I'm pretty much done right there. Now I just got to put the wire, the power wire. So I got the ground already. Got the ground right here. I got the 2 relays. I got the fuse in here. Right there. It's already mounted in. And then I got the wire that runs through here. I put these blue ties, so I know that that's the new one that I did. It goes all the way to the other side. And this one here, it's mounted right there. It's running to this side, right here, and it plugs up right there, So it runs underneath this rubber a seal or whatever. So now I just gotta put this power wire right up in there. No, it's fucking loud. ¿Y cuántas bocinas tienes tú?
4 6.5 and 1 tweeter.
Still fucking loud.
His bass bangs though.
Yeah, fuck yeah. Yeah, para una bocina, güey, that shit's fucking.
Yeah, my bass is 500 watts. It's the box, man.
Yeah, it is.
The box you gave it to me. And then this is the one that we had put in this was fucking in the Yukon. In the XL Pedro.
That one right there?
Yeah. That shit was loud as fuck too. He had two 400-watt tar amps voice speakers.
Damn.
That shit was stupid loud too.
Okay. Now I could take this one off here. I had to pause it because it was kind of hard to take it off. So this one. Put that under. Just like this. There you go. Easy. There it is. Solid. That's it. Now I gotta close the hood. Oh shit, the light. Oh, the marker too. Damn it. Let's see. Let's see here. Everything's good. Everything's clear. I'm not gonna close it all the way. Just to see the these things light up. There it is. Let me turn this switch off right here. Yeah, it's fucking dirty, right? Check this shit out. But yeah, I like it. There it is. All done. I just didn't hook it up to where it lights up. I'll probably end up doing that some other time. I'm not really trying to deal with it. It's already getting late. It's like 7 right now, something like that. I've been out here for like 3 hours because I've been recording and, you know, doing that. So, yeah, I'm good. I'm all right. I'll leave it like that. Sometime later on, if I decide to make it illuminate, then I will. Otherwise, it's staying like that. I'm good though. But anyway, this is it right here. This is the Toyota that I'm gonna be working on. Little projects here and there.